Right, if you want the perfect lawn this year, but you're not sure exactly where to start, whether you need to do a full massive monster renovation, whether you just need to do like a partial renovation, or whether you need to do nothing at all, just simply feeding and cutting, then watch this video until the end, because what I'll be doing is explaining exactly what you need to do depending on the lawn that you currently have. So let's start off then with a lawn like this. If you've got a patch of grass where if you get in close, you've got some weeds knocking about, and when I say some weeds, you've got quite a lot of weeds, you've got a fair bit of moss in there, then for you, it might be a full monster renovation. And a full monster renovation involves one thing, and that is starting your lawn from scratch. And there's two ways you can go about doing it. You can seed it from scratch, or you can lay turf. All you've got to do is kill off the old lawn using some Roundup, prep the soil, get rid of all the dead grass, level things out ever so slightly, and chuck the turf down, keep it watered, and boom, you've got yourself a boss lawn. But for some people, they're willing to put in the graft and that little bit of extra effort to actually seed one from scratch. But there is a little bit of extra work involved when it comes to feeding and cutting and nurturing those new little seedlings as they come through. A full reset renovation, whether that be going with turf or with seed, is a boss idea, because what it means is that you'll have zero weeds in your lawn, and when you start with zero weeds, it's really easy to keep them out. With a full renovation, the time span can be anywhere from a month to 2 months. Timings will obviously depend on when you renovate, but also what the conditions are like at the time. But what if your lawn's looking decent? Do you have to do a full-scale renovation? Well, no. Absolutely not. That's where the partial renovation comes into play. And there's one main reason why you'd do a partial renovation, and that's because your lawn might be a little bit thin. The most commonly sold grass seed in the UK is ryegrass. Now, ryegrass can be great, it's got a lovely colour, and when you overseed it really heavily, you can get a nice density to it. But the big problem with it is that one seed becomes one plant, which means that if you've got patches like this in a ryegrass lawn, the only way to thicken them up would be to actually overseed. With a partial renovation, all we're after doing is improving that lawn. We don't want to be starting it from scratch. It'll involve scarifying, overseeding, top dressing and watering it well. Partial renovation will take around about a month, because you've got to get those new seedlings to come through and mature before it's really completed and your lawn is in full swing. And if you're on social media, it'll seem that you'd even need to do one of those two renovations if you're to be doing lawn care right. Well, not necessarily, because there is a third option, and that's to do no renovation whatsoever. If you've got a lawn that is looking absolutely boss, it's really dense, it's really thick, and you're happy with the general appearance of it, then you do not need to renovate. All you're going to need to do is quite literally feed your lawn and cut your lawn. And if you do those two things, your lawn will look insane without any renovation whatsoever. Now, there might be a few little extra things that you can do just to take your lawn to the next level, such as a light scarify if you do have some excess thatch, but as long as you go lightly, what you're not going to need to do is any partial renovation with any overseeding. So if you were kind of between minds as to what to do to your lawn this spring, then hopefully this video is giving you a little bit of an idea as to where to start, whether you're going to be going with the full renovation, the partial renovation, or doing no renovation whatsoever. Let me know down in the comment section below what you'll be doing to your lawn this spring, and give the video a like if you've enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. There's loads more no nonsense videos like this on the way in 2026. And finally, thanks for watching.